Hi, I'm Tony, and your Poppop's Workshop. Today we've got a serving tray. Sometimes we put handles on, but what I wanted to try this time with it was a little bit different. I thought about cutting handles, little grooves under the edge, but it's not that thick. So, went to our local Woodcraft. We picked up some of these feet. So we're going to set up to put these feet on there. We'll use our little square. And I know what you're thinking, Tony, you should make a jig. You're right, I should. I'm not going to, but I should. But if I had maybe 3 or 4 of these, yeah, I'd take the time, I'd make a jig. But this is kind of an experiment. I want to see how this does, see how well it sells. And if it does, then definitely I'll be making a jig for future ones so I can make this as quick as possible. But I'm going to bring you in and kind of let you watch me go through the process of laying it out and drilling and putting the feet on. So stay tuned. All right, first step, let's set our double square here to 1 inch. Mark there. There we go. We got that. And we'll have to do that a few more times. Okay, so laid out. Now it's time to just give ourselves a little spot to set our drill bit easier. No wandering drill bits for us. If you don't have one of these little auto punches, I picked this one up off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description in case you want to grab one. Super handy for getting things set up. So now we'll just take our drill in a little bit. And as you can probably see, that's about the exact right drill bit so that we're not going to strip those screws out, but we'll get a nice start on them. So now if those are done, we'll grab a foot. Make sure we throw the screw through the right way. I was afraid I'd do that backwards, but do that. Set the foot down. And there we go. So we'll finish that out, and this project will be done. Okay, that's it. A couple quick tools. We'll punch, square, drill, driver, and it's got feet. So now wherever you put that, it's going to stay put, whether it's your table, your countertop, and you can easily grab hold of it to pick it up and take it where you need to take it. So stop by your local Woodcraft, grab yourself some feet, slap them on your serving board, and it's easy as that. So remember, you can do this.